Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. In last class, we studied indices and roots, cube roots, fourth root, fifth root, like that. Where if you have any confusion in last exercise, in today's class, you can leave question. I'll try to solve it. Today we will start a new exercise 2D. 2D is written 2D. Page number 30, Impact Math 3. Here, in the previous page, look at the page. Here you have a way of solving these kinds of math. Here one word is equivalent fractions. I think you have a confusion about this. Suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction. If we write here 2 by 4, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Look here, if we simplify this, 2 goes to 4 2 times, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 same. But 1 by 2 here and 2 by 4, these are different numbers. But in fractional values, they are same. That is why they are called equivalent fractions. To solve the math from this exercise, we have two ways. One is using equivalent fractions. In the book, they have given two examples. And you have another option. I think you studied this kinds of action. Look, first of all, I'll try to solve in a method which is given in the book. In this exercise, the syllabus, we will start from question number 2. 1a, x by 2 plus 1 by y. According to the example, first of all, you will make this equal denominator. That is why you will use equivalent fractions. Here you have y. If you multiply y in the numerator and the denominator, you will get xy divided by 2y. And here, if you multiply 2 by 2, you will get the same thing, 2y. So 2y plus 2 by 2y. Now say the denominators are same. Take LCM. LCM will be same. 2y goes to 2y one time. Numerator xy multiplied by 1, xy, 2 multiplied by again 1, because 2y goes to 2y one time. So this is our simplification. That means we are making a single fraction where the numerator is xy plus 2 and the denominator is 2y. These types of math, I think you can solve in another way also. 2a, this I'm writing all. Question was x by 2 by x by 2 plus 1 by y. You know how to make LCM, lowest common multiple. If the denominator are different, if the denominator are different, look here. Here LCM will be common into uncommon. Here nothing is common, only one is common. Uncommon is 2 and y. So their multiplication will be 2y. And then 2 goes to 2y. That means 2y divided by 2. If you divide it, what do you get? Y. That y will be multiplied with the numerator. Next, y goes to 2y. 2y divided by y. Y का question is 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2. Now simplify a little bit more. Now see this one and that one. Then I am saying in this method, what we are doing first, we are finding the common and uncommon. Here nothing is common except 1. So the uncommon to denominator will be multiplied. That's the LCM. And then this denominator 2 goes to 2y. It will give us y. That y will be multiplied with the numerator. And again, y goes to 2y. That means 2y divided by y is equal to 2. That 2 will be multiplied with the numerator for this fraction. That is the way we are finding the simplification, the least part. Because here xy plus 2, that is the numerator of the simplified form, and denominator is 2y. So which method is easier for you? Some of you leave a comment. Zara Hossain, you asked the question, why will we take 2? Why will we take 2? The question is not specified. Here we are taking 2 because to make same denominator here, 2y and 2y. That is the reason why we are taking here 2. And here we have y, we need a y, the left arm denominator. That is why if you want to make an equivalent fractions, there we need to multiply numerator and denominator by y, here numerator and denominator by 2, so that we get the same denominator here. X by 2 and xy by 2y are equivalent fractions. Clear? Number 2b. N square divided by twice n plus 1 by n square. This is our math which we need to simplify. second one is easier. I don't understand. Who didn't understand? Mohammed Ahmed. Okay. Here, which one is the LCM? To find the LCM accurately, I think you can use this method. Here, twice n and n square. Which one is common? N. Then twice n by n, it is 2. N square by n. N square divided by n. Here n. That means LCM will be n into here 2 and n. Everything is uncommon. Now multiply them 2n square. Now what is the LCM? 2n square. 2n goes to 2n square. That means 2n square by 2n. 2 card n square by n. That is n. Now n square into that n will be multiplied with the numerator n. Plus n square goes to 2n square. 2n square divided by n square card. 2 is the quotient. That 1 will be multiplied with the 2. Now n square n plus 2 by 2n square. Clear? Mohammed Ahmed. Number 2b. Look. Do you have any confusion? Please leave a message here. I think you are clear now. I didn't understand the first word. First word of which one? How do we do LCM? I didn't understand. Look. Here 2n and n square. 2n and n square, 2 terms. Here we will find the LCM. First of all, find the common terms. For 2 numbers, first of all, try to find the common terms. Which one is common? 2n and n square. Here n is common. But if you have more numbers, then we will have another method. At least 2 numbers are common. But here 2n square, 2n plus and n square, n is common. 2n divided by n. Look here, 2n divided by n. N card we have 2. N, I wrote here 2. And then n square divided by n. What do we have? N. I wrote here n. So LCM will be common and uncommon. Multiply each other, we will get 2n square. That is the way we are finding LCM. Thank you. You are clear? Now number C. 2C. Here xy divided by 3 plus 3x divided by twice y square. If you want to avoid this LCM, you can use the first method. In that case, you don't need to find the LCM. Suppose here 2y square, look here, you have to make 2 same thing here. And then here 2 and 3, you have to make 6 on both sides. Okay. Which one is common? 3 and 2y square. 3 and 2y square. Here we have 3 and there 2y square. Except one. Do you have anything common? No. Here only one is common. So LCM must be 3 and 2y square. So 6y square. 6y square. 3 goes to 6y square. 6y square divided by 3. 3 goes to 6 2 times, that means 2y square. That 2y square will be multiplied with the numerator. 2y square. This 2y square will divide 6y square. Y square cut 2, here 3. Look, 3. That numerator will be multiplied with 3. Now 6y square, 2 is the constant, write it at the first place, then x and y square, y cube, 3 and 3, 9, x. Here files are, I didn't understand about B. Look the solution. Look the solution number 2C. The method is same. The maths are different only. Here xy divided by 3 plus xy divided by 3 plus 3x divided by 2y square. Here denominator are 3 and 2y square. 3 and 2y square. We have to find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2y square. If you want to make the LCM, first of all try to find the common terms between them. Here common term only 1. That is the common factor. So 1 and the other numbers are uncommon. To find the LCM, first of all write the 1. Here if you want to write the 1, it is actually unnecessary. 1 multiplied by the uncommon. So uncommon numbers are 3 multiplied by 2y square. So what do we get? 6y square is our LCM. Here 6y square. Now 6y square, divide 6y square by the denominator of first term. Denominator is 3. 6y square, here 6y square divided by 3 is equal to 2y square. It is called the question. So 2y square will be multiplied with the numerator. Here numerator is xy. xy multiplied by 2y square plus this plus sign. Then divide 6y square by 2y square. 6y square by 2y square. 2 goes to 6 3 times, y square cut. So 3 is the question. So here numerator 3x will be multiplied with the 3. So 3x is multiplied with the 3. Now just simplify them. To arrange the numbers, multiplication among them, here first of all you will write the constant term. Then it is not mandatory that you have to write x first and y second. Just alphabetically it is better. That is why I wrote here x multiplied by y cube, y and y square, y cube, plus sign here, 3 and 3, 9 and x. Then this is the simplified form of this map. To make our concept clear, let us solve few more maths. 2d 1 by l square n plus m by l square. For this number, here for the first term, denominator is m square n, numerator is 1, plus m is the numerator here, denominator is n square. So two denominators are m square n and here n square. So which one will be the question is which one will be our LCM? First of all, try to find the common term. M square n. Here we don't have n. That means m is not common. N. Here we have n and n square. So at least lowest common here n. Now what we have? M square divided by m square n divided by n. N card we have m square. Right here m square. And n square divided by n. N square divided by n, what do we have? N. Now n. LCM is equal to n m square n. So m square into n and n square. You can write also in this form. It is called the dot product. Cross product, dot product. Okay. Now LCM. But we have LCM m square n square. Now m square n square divided by n square n. That means LCM will be divided by the first denominator. We have n square card, n goes to n square n times. So 1 will be multiplied with that n. Next, this plus sign. n square divided by n square. LCM will be divided with the denominator of the last term. Now, so n square card, what we have? n square. Then that n square will be multiplied with the numerator of second term. So here numerator is n. Will be multiplied with n square. Now simplify them. m square n plus n. Clear? You will get this video later, that is why I am erasing. Running on board. How much time we have? 5 minutes. Okay, E and F are homework. We'll do it as homework. Number 3. Number 3, here M divided by 4 minus 3 by 12. Here denominator is 4 for the first term, 2n for the second term. So 4 and 2n. LCM first common is 2. 4 divided by 2, 2, 2n divided by 2. What do we have? N. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into n. So 4n. LCM is 4n. 4 goes to 4n. 4 goes to 4n. That means 4n divided by 4. 4 term, we have n. That n will be multiplied with the numerator n. Minus 4n divided by 2n. n card. 2 goes to 4 2 times. 3 multiplied by 2. So 4n, here mn minus 6. Done. Number 3C. 2x square by y square x by 3. 2x square by y minus y square x by 3. Here y and 3. Y and 3, they are different number. Except 1, nothing is common. Their LCM will be their multiplication. If between two numbers only one is common, nothing else is common, then their LCM will be their multiplication. So 3y divided by y cut, we have 3. That 3 will be multiplied with the numerator twice x squared. Minus sign, put the minus sign there. Again 3y divided by 3 cut, we have y. That y will be multiplied with the numerator of the last term. Now simplify a little bit more. 2 and 3, 6 x square minus x, y square and y, that is y cube. MD Mohammad Ali, you asked a question that, sir, which scientific calculator we have to use? Anyone? Any scientific calculator you can use, no problem. For k square q divided by r square minus p divided by q square r. here r square and q square r. Common is r. R square divided by r, we have r. Then q square r divided by r cut, q square we have. Then LCM is equal to r into q square. Okay. So r square q square. Look here, r square q square. R square cut q square. So 4 q square q into q square minus r square q square divided by q square into r. We have r here. So PR. If you simplify it, you will get the just one thing, 4 p square q minus PR divided by r square q square. So we don't have enough time. Time is up. I did solve as much as possible. So for today, this is the last one. If you have any confusion, keep your question. Next class, you will ask the question. For today, this is the last one. Thank you. Bye bye.